Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how to create Cash App on PC. To get started with Cash App on your computer, open your favorite web browser and head over to their official site. Just type Cash App into the address bar. Once you land on the home page, locate the Sign Up or Login button at the top right corner and give it a click. You'll then be asked to enter either a phone number or an email address. Make sure it's one that you currently have access to. Shortly after, a verification code will be sent to your selected contact method. Enter that code on the site to move forward. Once verified, you'll be guided to link a payment source. This is where you'll add your bank account or debit card by entering the required info, such as your card number, expiry date, and CVV code. This step is crucial if you plan to send or receive money through the platform. Next up, you'll create your own unique Cash App username, also known as a $cashtag. This is what people will use to find and send money to you. You'll also be asked to fill in some basic personal information like your full name and maybe your address for identity verification purposes. Once all your details are confirmed and your setup is complete, your Cash App account will be good to go. You can now send or receive money smoothly, right from your computer, no phone required. And that's it, you are done.